You can imagine how difficult it is to reach the required level of cultivation. To even be allowed to take part in their entrance. You said an outer disciple. Are there any other types? Of course, the scholar nodded. In most sects, disciples are divided into the following groups: the external or outer. There are a lot of these. The children looked at each other.
Wow.
So many young boys and girls were at the 8th step of the bodily rivers. But they hadn't even started to train. The hair in his beard. So, what's next?
Yeah.
The girl with the beautiful wrists asked.
I think it'll be pretty cool.
Next come the core disciples. These are the ones who deserve personal attention from the teachers.
This collar will go back on him.
To get this honor, you need to be an extraordinary person. I know of only
That'll go
one
back on there.
such cultivator, and by the age of 25, he was at the level of the heaven soldier. This
Yeah, look a
time,
little
the
better.
children couldn't resist asking their questions all at once.
Yeah.
Is it true that a heaven soldier can fly? That with a wave of their hand they can create fire? That their sword can cut in force? All of their characteristics were gradually being studied by the neuronet, gaining enough information to be able to perform a detailed science. It isn't strong enough to achieve true greatness on the path. Perhaps you should go back to Southwind's scrolls. This news could have broken another man, but Hajar was adamant. He had heard all his life the near talent. I've decided to do it, Hajar repeated. Suddenly, the master realized that he couldn't convince this 2-year-old boy to give up. I'll take you on as a disciple then. The old man stood up, blocking the sun. The court grew silent. The silence hung heavily on the shoulders. Hajar! Came a cry from behind his back. The master turned around and froze. On the stairs leading into the palace, the queen was standing. Her spacious, amber-colored robes fluttered in the wind. Her hair framed her beautiful face, and a fire burned in her lovely green eyes. Careful, Hajar! Elizabeth pushed off the stair. It was about 20 yards from her to the ground. For a cultivator of her level, it was no more than a step was to a common man. And yet, no matter how swift and powerful the queen's movement was, the